Daily English Vocabulary.
Look at your office fridge. It is a crime scene.
That yogurt is now alive. His name is Kevin. He is learning algebra.
This is terrible office hygiene. You are creating a monster.
Clean your mess, or tomorrow, Kevin will steal your job.
Someone left a yogurt in there. In 2021.
By Tuesday, Kevin got promoted to senior manager.
Everyone respects him. He makes incredible spreadsheets. He even hired a VP of sales. Meet the 2019 tuna sandwich. The fridge is no longer an appliance. It's a sovereign nation. Look at your office fridge.
Office, fridge. Office, fridge.
It is a crime scene.
Crime scene, crime scene.
That yogurt is now alive.
Alive, alive.
His name is Kevin. He is learning algebra.
Learning algebra, learning algebra.
This is terrible office hygiene.
Terrible office hygiene, terrible office hygiene.
You are creating a monster.
Creating a monster, creating a monster.
Clean your mess,
Clean your mess, clean your mess.
or tomorrow, Kevin will steal your job.
Steal your job, steal your job.
Someone left a yogurt in there.
Left in there, left in there.
In 2021.
By Tuesday, Kevin got promoted to senior manager.
Got promote, got promote.
Everyone respects him. He makes incredible spreadsheets.
Make incredible spreadsheets. Make incredible spreadsheets.
He even hired a VP of sales.
Hired.
Meet the 2019 tuna sandwich.
Tuna sandwich, tuna sandwich.
The fridge is no longer an appliance.
No longer an appliance, no longer an appliance.
It's a sovereign nation.
Sovereign nation, sovereign nation.
Before you go, I have a special gift for our daily learners. I've compiled a full 100-word cleaning and office hygiene vocabulary guide in an interactive file. You can tap any word to hear standard English pronunciation offline. It's 100% free for our community today. Just leave a like on this video, drop a comment down below using at least one of today's vocabulary words in a practice sentence. I'll be replying and correcting your grammar. Hit subscribe with notifications turned on. Share this video with a study buddy and grab your freebie link in the pinned comment below. Keep practicing.